Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual International Nurses Day Celebration 2020 at RV College of Nursing. Light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. Light removes darkness and gives us positivity. In spiritual words, light means life, which gives new direction in life. With this noble thought, I request our principal and the faculties to light a lamp as a tribute to Florence Nightingale. You have to go wholeheartedly into anything in order to achieve anything worth having. Now let's hear a message from our Honorable Secretary, Rashtriya Shikshana Samiti Trust, Sri AVS Murthy Sir.
A very good morning to all of you. International Nurses Day is celebrated every year on the 12th of May to commemorate the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the pioneer of modern nursing. This year, 2020, has been declared as the International Year of the Nurse and the Midwife by the World Health Organization in honor of the 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. At RV educational institutions, we acknowledge and are grateful to the contribution of nurses and nursing professionals for their selfless service to humanity. The International Council of Nurses leads the celebrations by announcing a theme every year. This year's theme is Nurses, a Voice to Lead, Nursing the World to Health, which focuses on the true value of nurses to people around the world. As frontline healthcare warriors during this COVID-19 pandemic, nurses have proved this theme in real life. From the entire RV family, I wish every nurse a very happy Nurses Day. Thank you all.
Nurse, just another word to describe a person strong enough to understand anyone. Care for one, that is love. Care for hundreds, and that is what nursing is. Now, we'll hear a message from our principal, Dr. Gajendra Singh.
Good morning everyone. Today is 12th May 2020. Is celebrated all over the world as International Nurses Day in commemoration of bicentennial birth anniversary of modern nursing pioneer Florence Nightingale, also called as Lady with a Lamp, and one who served her life for the best of the mankind. We nurses are proud to state that the World Health Organization has declared this year 2020 as the year of the nurses and midwives, and also the International Council for Nurses has released the theme for today's Nurses Day, Nurses, a Voice to Lead, Nursing the World to Health, emphasizing the pivotal role of nurses in global healthcare system. In the current COVID-19 pandemic condition, nurses have taken their frontline role as warriors to combat the coronavirus by providing soothing and healing touch with compassionate nursing care for sick people. Now, even each and every citizen of India as well as government has realized and appreciated the stake of nurses' role in preventive, promotive, curative and rehabilitative roles of nurses for the upliftment of public health in our country. Also, every civilian of India has witnessed the selfless care and concern dedicated by the nurses. On this great Nurses Day occasion of the year 2020, on behalf of RV College of Nursing and RV Group of Institutions, I wish all the nurses and nursing fraternity a very happy Nurses Day. Thank you.
Nursing is a challenging but hugely rewarding profession. Hence, that turns caring into action, touch that turns compassion into comfort, and smiles that turn healing into action. Next, let's hear the speech from our nursing leaders.
Good morning, Namaste. My Myself, Dr. Ramu, Dean, Faculty of Nursing, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. A happy International Nurses Day to all my nursing fraternity. RV College of Nursing is celebrating virtually Florence Nightingale birthday anniversary today. You know, International Nurses Day observed around the world on May 12th every year to mark contributions that nurses make to the society. This year, the theme is a march to lead nursing the world to health, and we have to remember birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. You know, World Health Organization in its theme for 2020 is support nurses and midwife, and WHO choose this year 2020 theme is Year of Nurse and Midwife. This year celebration will be extra special because it will be 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. And finally, hats off to all the nurses who are dedicated their lives in the present pandemic situation of COVID-19. Hats off once again to all my beloved nurses. Thank you so much for giving an opportunity of RV College of Nursing, my friend Dr. Gajendra Singh, faculty and dear students and the management of RV College of Nursing. Thank you so much. And once again, I wish you a happy International Nurses Day. Bye.
Good morning to all. I wish you all happy International Nurses Day. And this year, May 12th, we observe. Throughout the world, we celebrate as the International Nurses Day. And this year is very special to all of us. It's being 200th year of Florence Nightingale birthday. Her achievement always resonates to us more than ever. The ICM has adopted the theme of nursing is nurses to voice to lead the nursing world to health. And also this year is designated as the nurse and midwife. The theme focuses the value of the nurses towards the world. But ironically, the 200th birth anniversary, all nurses are fighting against the deadly virus. Throughout the world, beyond the nurses stepped out the fight towards the fighting of the coronavirus. I hope we'll come out of this threat. On this occasion, I remind you all, being a nurses every day, we touch a life or the life will touch us. Once again, I wish you all happy International Nurses Day. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Girijamba, Secretary of Trained Nurses Association. Dear Gajendra Sir, Mamta Ma, nursing students of RV family, very happy and thank you for inviting me to your online. I wish you a very happy Nurses Day, the year of the nurse at 2020. It used to be a mega event, but due to lockdown, we all corona warriors celebrating wherever we are. I request at 6 p.m. today in the evening, you lit the candle for 12 minutes and share your photos. And remember that today's message 1820, how the Nightingale had made her presence today also to feel. I wish every nursing student of our family also, you will make your presence valuable. Thank you.
A message from Professor Usha Joshi. A mother is the first nurse and nurse comes next to mother. This is the first time WHO has produced a report on nurses and midwives. My request for nursing students is that learn everything putting your head, mind and hand. Do not think of it as a very simple profession. Lots of intelligence, desire, discipline and devotion is required to give nursing care and to become a professional nurse. I wish you all the best for your career. Wish you all a very happy Nurses Day. Thank you.
Good morning. Today is the International Nurses Day celebration. To commemorate the 200 years of birth anniversary of Miss Florence Nightingale, a pioneer of modern nursing, I am happy to note that RV College of Nursing is celebrating the International Nurses Day. At the outset, I congratulate the principal, vice principal and faculty members of this RV College of Nursing, a function, a grand success. All of us are aware about the theme of the International Nurses Day. WHO has rightly designated the year 2020 as Year of Nurses and Midwives. What a coincidence of the theme and the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic worldwide to recognize the dedicated and the selfless services of nursing fraternity, and also a lot of opportunity for the nursing profession to express about the nursing, and also the change of official designation from nurses to the nursing officer. As a nurse, I am proud of my profession, and also I enjoyed every step of the professional achievements. My dear student, I congratulate each one of you on this auspicious occasion for selecting the noble and dedicated nursing profession. Do your job well, be empathetic, the patient care, and the rest of the things will be taken care by the Almighty.
Hi, good morning. Today is the important day, May 12th, the birthday of Miss Florence Nightingale. 200 years back, she took birth on this day, and she is the one, though she comes from the richest family, she chose to become nurse. And she is the one who found out modern nursing to the world. And she not only found out the nursing profession, she introduced new education, new curriculum, new methods, everything she introduced. And because of her, nursing profession has come up like anything in the world. Nurses' work is recognized and much happy of it. So, dear friends, take care of your patients, take care of you yourself, bring glory to this profession. Thank you very much. May God.
Good morning to everyone. Today is a very auspicious 12th May is the birth celebration, day celebration of Florence Nightingale's Day. As a senior leader of nursing, it is a proud privilege to talk on the year of International Nurses Day celebration. First and foremost, I congratulate all the professional colleagues, the nursing officers, the senior nursing officers, nursing faculty, the nursing scholars, the nursing leaders, to all, the entire nursing fraternity. In the healthcare delivery system, 80% of the components are the nurses and midwives. They are the present day, they are the real warriors in corona front fighters. So it brings a happy occasion for me to remember what the word said by Florence Nightingale in those days. The words to 200 years were true to the best of my knowledge. As the WHO theme has said, the true value of the nurses to the people of the world. 200 years back, she said the importance of tender loving care. Even now today, the importance of touch, the most wonderful valuable. Her hand washing technique, hygienic technique in every sector. The public health world and research as older than the medicine community existence. The importance of nutrition, interpersonal relationship, the counseling, psychotherapy, and the role performance by the nurses were very immense. The work with an individual, with the family members, in the community and in the hospital and rural sector and all. So, on this wonderful occasion, so RV College of Nursing celebrating the Florence Nightingale celebration. I congratulate them once again. I wish them all the best in their future endeavor. The former Dean of Rajiv Gandhi Fellowship, Dr. Prabhudeva. Thanking you, one and all.
A very happy morning to all of you. Wish you all a very happy International Nurses Day 2020. I am indeed privileged and honored to speak of my own profession and my own professionals. The nurses have been recognized throughout the world as a frontline warriors. This year, International Nurses Day is very special for all the nurses because of two reasons. One is the WHO has declared the year 2020 as the year of nurses and midwives. That is a great honor and privilege for all nurses. And secondly, though the year 2020 has started with an emergency or pandemic situation, posed a lot of challenges to nurses, and people all over the world recognizing the contribution and dedication of nurses and naming them giving them different names as warriors, frontline warriors, heroes, and the angels, so on, so many. All of you once again a happy International Nurses Day, and let us stay together and let us stay safe and let us stay healthy and let us serve the mankind. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Somi from Chicago, Illinois. Wish you all a International Nurses Week. 2020 has been declared as the International Year of Nurses and Midwives. Let's continue with the legacy of Miss Florence Nightingale as we celebrate her 200th anniversary. Nurses are today's heroes. Continue to do the good work. All the best wishes.
Good morning all of you. I am Pratibha Swami from College of Nursing, Nimhans. I bow to all my nursing professional colleagues and wish you all a very happy International Nurses Day. The theme of this year's International Nurses Day is a voice to lead nursing the world to health. And WHO has declared this year as the year of nurses and midwife. We have to be proud of this, and let us all pray to the Almighty to bestow strength and give us motivation to serve the mankind at all the times, be it the needy times or the difficult situations. So let us all promise to the society that we are always there for them. With this, I wish you all once again a very happy Nurses Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone at RV College of Nursing. Wish you all a very happy Nurses Day and International Year of Nurses 2020. This is the year that should allow you to dream big and becoming a nurse with multitude of roles. You are the nurse leaders of tomorrow. You have a potential to expand your role as a clinical nurse specialist, advanced nurse practitioner and nurse consultant in a wide range of healthcare settings. Who knows, you could be the one who will be involved in policy making nationally and internationally. As you know, this year has seen an unprecedented crisis, COVID-19 pandemic. that has reiterated the significance of all foundations of nursing as laid by Florence Nightingale. I'm sure under the able guidance of my good friend Dr. Gajendra Singh and the team, you, the future nurses, will bring forward the legacy of the founder of modern nursing. I wish you all the best, stay safe, and as we say in Irish, Slán Leat, goodbye.
Good morning to everyone. Wish you happy Nurses Day to all the nursing fraternities. In this regard, I congratulate and appreciate the management, principal, staffs of RV College of Nursing, Bangalore, who has taken their effort in organizing and celebrating Nurses Day through virtual mode. On behalf of everyone, I take this opportunity in rendering my wishes to all the frontline warriors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals who is tirelessly working in this pandemic situation. Try to be safe and take care of yourself. Thank you.
Good day to one and all. On this wonderful day, May 12, 2020, which commemorates the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, I would like to wish all of you happy International Nurses Day. Nurses Day is celebrated around the world with the theme Nurses, a Voice to Lead, Nursing the World to Health. So it is a wonderful time to acknowledge the services and the dedication rendered by all the nurses across the world, and specifically in this COVID pandemic, the sacrifices which the nurses are doing solely for the purpose of saving the humanity is applaudable. So on behalf of Sharada University, I, Professor Pauline Sharmila, Dean, School of Nursing Science and Research of Sharada University, Delhi NCR, would like to extend my happiest wishes on this wonderful International Nurses Day to all the fraternity of nurses, especially the Dean, Principal, faculty and students of RV College of Nursing, Bangalore. Let's salute all the wonderful nurses today. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ, PhD ನರ್ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಶುಶ್ರೂಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆನ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮೇ 12ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಈ ದಿನನ ನಾವು ಫ್ಲಾರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೈಟಿಂಗೇಲ್ ಅವರ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಾರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫ್ಲಾರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೈಟಿಂಗೇಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೇಡಿ ವಿತ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ದೀಪಧಾರಿಣಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅವರ ಈ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಶುಶ್ರೂಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂತ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ RV ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನವರು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಈ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ದಾದಿಯರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆನ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಈ RV ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಿಗೂ, ಡೀನ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ SR ಗಜೇಂದ್ರ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ, ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವೃಂದದವರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಈ ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ RV ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಿರೀಟ ಪ್ರಾಯದಂತೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, RV College of Nursing, colleagues and my dear students. International Nurses Day is celebrated all over the world every year on 12th of May. This day is celebrated on account of birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. The International Council of Nurses commemorates this important day by production and distribution of International Nurses Day kit. This kit consists of many information, tools and messages to aid the nurses, to guide the nurses, to help the nurses to achieve quality of care and patient safety in cost effective way. Friends, at the outset, I would like to offer my congratulations to all the nurses on this Nurses Day. I bless and also I appeal the students of RV Nursing College to become a unique nurses. I wish all of you happy Nurses Day. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Abhilash. I work as a registered nurse at Auckland City Hospital in New Zealand. On this special occasion of International Nurses Day, I wish my beloved professor in nursing, Dr. Gajendra Singh, and all the students of RV College of Nursing, Bangalore, a wonderful Nurses Day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Jyoti Rajendran, registered nurse from Saudi Arabia. Happy Nurses Day to all. Stay home, stay safe.
Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. So let's hear the message from our RVCN faculties.
Good morning one and all. Today is a significant day for nursing fraternity. We are celebrating 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale as International Nurses Day. On behalf of RV College of Nursing, I would like to dedicate this day to my professional colleagues, my friends, my dear students who are working as frontline warriors in the crisis situation of COVID-19. I would like to convey that you all are doing a great job. May God bless you all. Happy International Nurses Day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Greetings to you all from RV College of Nursing. On this special day, I would like to congratulate all the nurse warriors throughout the world. Be strong and continue in the same spirit. As an educator, I would like to pray and wish all the nurses to be strong and to be bold and also to walk in the footprints of Florence Nightingale with compassion, love, humility and dedication. Nurses, a voice to lead, nursing the world to health. I wish you all a very happy International Nurses Day 2020.
Today, the World International Nurses Day is celebrated globally every year in the month of May 12th as a birth anniversary of our nursing pioneer Florence Nightingale. So I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of our nurses for the contribution they are committed to their society, and I wish a very happy International Nurses Day to each one of us. Thank you.
Hi everyone. First, I would like to wish all of us a happy Nurses Day. Nurses Day every year is celebrated on May 12th to mark the contribution which the nurses make to the society. Nurses are the heart of healthcare. Nurses are born to care. Nursing is caring, but it takes more than a caring person to be a nurse. So I am really privileged to be a nurse. Finally, in this situation, I would like to appreciate and pay tribute to all the nurses for their dedication fighting against in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. Thank you one and all. Wish you all once again a happy Nurses Day.
Hi all. Let me take this privilege to wish you all a very happy International Nurses Day 2020. On this very day, it is at most a very important day to celebrate our nurses who are working in the forefront to deal with the epidemics throughout the world for the COVID-19. Now this year nurses theme, that is nursing the world to health, is very apt as we understand the true value of the nurses who have been working for the people throughout the world. Now we as nurses can empower ourselves and empower our fellow nurses to set a standard for ourselves and to set a standard to increase the profile of professional standards so that we can attract a newer generation into the nursing family. On behalf of RVCN family, I again wish you all a very happy International Nurses Day. Thank you.
I would like to say nurses are the heart of healthcare. Nurses are enough to understand everyone. Nurses are enough to tolerate everything and serve. Be proud to be a nurse. Happy Nurses Day. Thank you.
Today, all the nurses are fighting against the pandemic of COVID-19. Many are suffering with this disease, many lost their lives and their loved ones. I salute all these nurses because each one of them deserves special recognition in their effort to treat the patient. Moreover, we can be unique and compassionate to our profession and serve the world. Once again, I wish all the nurses a happy Nurses Day. Thank you.
We are seeing around ourselves how nurses are contributing in the time of COVID-19 and this pandemic situation. They are extending their duty hours, they are leaving their families behind and exposing themselves to the deadly virus, wearing PPEs all the day, drenching in sweat, and most important thing, they are risking their lives. They are no lesser than our frontier warriors like a soldier. So in this pandemic situation, we all should thank to all the nurses and as well as their family. So I would like to say thank you all the nurses and happy Nurses Day to all. Take care and stay safe. Have a good day. Bye.
As a nurse, you know that every day you will touch many lives, or maybe many lives will touch your life. Therefore, without forgetting, Happy Nurses Day to everyone, and hope we all bring that change, we all bring more and more rejuvenation and more development in our profession.
Nurses are those unsung heroes who always remain behind the screen and silently work towards improving the health of the patients. Now, let's have a hearing from the alumni of RD College of Nursing.
Hi, this is Jasna from Canada. I wish you all a happy International Nurses Day. This year has been a great challenge for healthcare workers, especially nurses, due to COVID pandemic situation. Many of our fellow nurses have sacrificed their life while taking care of COVID patients, and most of us are still fighting the battle against this pandemic. I appreciate the dedication of nurses across the world to save the humanity from this deadly disease. The international leaders have upheld the value of nurses again. Keep doing great work. Be strong and be safe, and take the courage to be a leader to show the light of nursing service. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Smita Sharma. I am working as a nursing superintendent at Virat Medical College and Teaching Hospital, Viratnagar Unit, Viratnagar, Nepal. I have graduated BSc Nursing from RV College of Nursing in the year 2012, and I have done my MSc Nursing in Obstetrics and Gynecology in the year 2016 from MS Ramaiah College of Nursing. First of all, I would like to thank RVCN family for providing me an opportunity to speak few words on the occasion of International Nurses Day. This year serves dual celebration as WHO has declared the year 2020 as the year of nurse and midwife. Nurses being as a front line, they have been working very hard in this pandemic for safeguarding the life of this population. As we know, more than 90,000 health workers already have been infected with the COVID-19. In this pandemic, the nurses are challenged with managing the regular cases as well as managing the COVID-19 cases. Their effort, their dedicated instinct for safeguarding the life at this time is really remarkable and appreciable. Hence, I salute all the nurses working around the globe for safeguarding the life of the people in this pandemic around the globe. And I feel very proud to be a nurse. Thank you.
Thanks refers to gratitude. Gratitude is an attitude of expression of thankfulness. Now, I request Ms. Merlin to extend vote of thanks.
Nurses,
the angels of mercy to the patients. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the eminent leaders who have taken time to address on International Nurses Day celebrated at our college. At the foresight, I would like to thank our Honorable Secretary Sri A.V.S. Murthy Sir for his wonderful wishes. Sir has always been a guide in all our endeavors. I also take an opportunity to wish all the nursing leaders from India and overseas for their thoughtful expression in acknowledging their contribution to nurses to the world. Next, I would like to thank the alumni of RV Nursing family who are the brand ambassador and serving humanity with ethical standards. Last but not the least, I would like to thank principal, faculty and students who have joined their hands to make this occasion successful. Let's change the world by accepting the new challenges.
We have come to an end of our virtual celebration. Having the Year of Nurses and Midwives coincide with Florence Nightingale's bicentennial raises exciting prospect of all the nurses finally being recognized for all the good things they do. I express my deep gratitude to all the nurses who work as the frontline barriers to fight against the highly contagious COVID-19. Happy Nurses Day to you all.